Did you know that over 2 billion kilograms of wool are harvested globally every single year? That's enough to circle the earth with a wool scarf thousands of times over. But how does all that raw fleece transform into our favorite sweaters and blankets? Welcome to Tech Talks, where we peel back the layers on the technologies that shape our world. Today, we're embarking on an incredible journey from a humble sheep to the warm, luxurious wool products we cherish. Let's get started. Our story begins in the vast pastures, often in places like New Zealand, a country that ranks among the top wool producers worldwide. Here, skilled hands meet innovative technology to begin the journey of wool. First in line is the shearing machine. This isn't your average set of electric clippers. It's a high-precision tool designed for both speed and the sheep's well-being. Imagine this: a skilled shearer wielding one of these machines can deftly remove a sheep's entire fleece in just 1 to 2 minutes. That's up to 250 sheep or more in a single day. Once the fleece is off, it's far from clean. Raw wool arrives packed with dust, vegetable matter, and a natural waxy substance called lanolin. To tackle this, we turn to the wool cleaning machine. This powerful pre-cleaner uses gentle agitation and vibration to aggressively shake out the largest contaminants. By doing this initial dust-up, it significantly reduces the amount of dirt going into the wash, which in turn means less water and energy are needed for the next steps. Even after that initial clean, the wool can still be matted and compacted. To truly prepare it for a pristine wash, it enters the opener machine. Think of it as a giant, gentle detangler. Inside, a series of comb-like rotating teeth and mesh screens work in harmony to loosen and separate each individual wool fiber. This process is crucial because it further dislodges any stubborn dirt particles and ensures that the washing solutions can penetrate every single strand, leading to a much more effective and consistent clean. Now for the real deep dive. The wool enters the wool washing system, often a series of interconnected hot water baths. This isn't just one soak. It's a carefully controlled multi-stage process. The wool travels through several large tubs, starting with water heated to a precise 170 to 180 degrees Fahrenheit or 77 to 82 degrees Celsius, infused with mild wool-specific detergents. These initial baths dissolve the lanolin and deeply embedded dirt. As the wool moves from vat to vat, the water becomes progressively cleaner, rinsing away all soap residues until it emerges sparkling. This precision washing is key to achieving that clean, soft feel without damaging the precious wool fibers. Our wool is now incredibly clean, but also soaking wet. To prepare it for the next manufacturing steps, it needs to be dried efficiently and gently. This is the job of the drying machine, often a monumental hot air drum. Imagine a giant tumble dryer, but on an industrial scale. Hot air circulates rapidly within this massive rotating drum, ensuring every fiber is evenly exposed and dried quickly. For premium quality, every last speck must go. So the wool takes one more pass through a dedicated dust-removing machine. This machine employs specialized filtration and airflow techniques to extract any remaining fine dust, ensuring the wool is impeccably clean and perfectly prepared for the delicate fiber alignment that comes next. Now, can our wool become yarn yet? Not quite. Our wool is now clean and dry, but the fibers are still jumbled. To get them perfectly aligned for spinning, they enter the carding machine. This amazing apparatus uses a series of large rollers covered with millions of tiny fine wire brushes. As the wool passes through, these brushes work in unison to disentangle, clean, and meticulously straighten each fiber. The result is a continuous, uniform, rope-like strand called a sliver, a crucial step that ensures the yarn will be smooth and strong. From sliver to thread, this is where the true magic of yarn creation happens on the spinning machine, an evolved version of the ancient spinning wheel. Here, the wool sliver is fed into the machine, which then rapidly twists and draws out the fibers, creating a strong and cohesive strand of yarn. This twisting action, known as spinning, is what gives the yarn its incredible strength and elasticity, making it resilient enough to withstand the rigors of weaving and become the durable fabric we know. With our strong, beautiful yarn ready, it's time to weave fabric. The loom is the star of this show. This complex machine interlaced two sets of threads: the warp, the strong vertical threads stretched taut on the loom, and the weft, the horizontal threads that are skillfully woven over and under the warp. The loom precisely raises and lowers sections of the warp, creating an opening for the weft to pass through,
interlocking the threads to create the textile. Our fabric is woven, but it's not yet the soft, luxurious material we recognize. It needs a crucial final treatment in the washing and finishing system. Here, the fabric undergoes a series of washes and treatments that are vital to its quality. This includes softening the fibers and often a process called felting or fulling, where the fabric is gently agitated in warm water. This causes the wool fibers to slightly interlock and shrink, making the fabric denser, warmer, and more durable. For our stunning solid-colored woolens, the fabric often makes a stop at the dyeing machine. This system carefully immerses the woven fabric in precise baths of dye, ensuring every fiber absorbs the color evenly and consistently. Finally, the journey culminates at the sewing machine. Here, the luxurious finished fabric is precisely cut and skillfully stitched into its final form. Whether it's a cozy blanket, an elegant scarf, or sections for a warm winter coat, industrial sewing machines work with incredible accuracy to create clean seams, attach labels, and add any final details. This is where all the previous stages come together, transforming raw wool into a product ready to bring comfort and style to your life. So, from a sheep in a pasture to the warmth and beauty of your favorite wool garment, it's a process defined by ingenious machines and human skill. Each step, carefully orchestrated, transforms a natural fiber into a modern marvel. What an incredible journey through innovation! Did you learn something new about your woolens? Let us know your thoughts in the comments below. If you enjoyed unraveling this technological tale, make sure to like this video, share it with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe to Tech Talks for more fascinating insights into the world around us. We'll see you next time.